So we haven't made any progress whatsoever on this, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a back shot of it and how it looks. You can see I've just bolted the side pieces together, and if we come over the top, you'll see there is actually a cutout for the motor. If we step up over here, there's actually a cutout for the motor, and the motor actually bolts in from the flange around the motor. Super simple way. And you look down here and there is the locking, I guess you would call it, bolt, and there's actually a little plastic shim. But yeah, so far so good. Really pleased with how it's turned out. I'm going to put a small piece of timber across the bottom just to tie it all in, and that's really about it. And then I've got to build some sort of a little cover to cover the motor and put a little base plate on so you can actually sand the workpiece. But these drawers down here as well have been actually very useful. You can see I've been putting actual little drink containers in there, and they actually fit perfectly well in there, just to organize everything. So that's it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm probably going to move the drill press where the zombie proof survival box is. So I've got both my other little sander there, and now the disc sander that I'm building will sit where the drill press is. So yeah.